Alright, here we are at Chinch Creek, and this is Comet's second turn swimming, and he really enjoyed it. He just loved it, loved it, loved it. And I'm going to try a shorter video, and there we go. He's not too sure yet. There we go. Kind of walked out there, a little swimming. Good boy. He just loves the water. As you can see, sitting in it.
Take a picture. Oh my gosh, there's a crack in the shell. That's huge. What is? That clam.
Throw that ball out there a little bit for him.
Here. Look inside this.
I'm trying to get some film of him swimming.
A cracked shell. Hey, come
Oops, that was fun.
Ew. Ew, it looks so gross.
Leslie?
What? Throw it. Ew, throw it.
He got it. He's swimming good. Now he's walking. He loves it. He's so happy. I'm filming it. I'm taking a movie. You want to throw it again? Not too far. Just out so he can swim a little bit. No, that's good.
That clams are ugly. I just figured that out. Clams are ugly.
Where's your ball, Comet? Where's your ball?
I gotta take off my rock.
See if I can throw it to him.
Oh my gosh, I just saw this fish. I don't know, but it splashed it off. Ew. I thought that was...
Good boy. Good boy. Wesley?
Oh, fish.
It's okay. He's doing alright.
I don't know if he's swimming or not.
He's sort of floating, walking.
He's doing this underwater.
You hear the frogs, huh? Now he sits and rests a little bit. Where's your ball, Comet? Get your ball. Let me get your ball. Start throwing rocks in. He was just sitting there. So funny. Comet, are you a silly dog? Comet. Let me get his ball again. Uh-oh, you gonna let me have your ball? Sounds like thunder. No, I don't think so.
I don't even think I can touch there.
I can He's proven to me that he's doing a great job swimming. That's as far as I'll throw it, though.
Oh, I can touch there.
I would get him if I had to. I would save his life. But he's doing great. He's loving it. We're not going to work him too hard, though.
Let's see what I can do. This. Oh, shit.
Hey, Comet.